Good afternoon and welcome to your launch assembly for the Duke of Edinburgh's Award, or the DofE. You might have heard of it, you might know someone else that's done it, but this afternoon we're going to go through a few of the things that are involved with it and hopefully get as many of you signed up as possible. So the DofE is being a bit of a game changer. It's about going the extra mile, it's about learning new skills for work and life, getting fitter, making a difference and broadening your horizons. Millions of young people in the UK have already done their DofE, including hundreds at TPS over the last 7 years. We were the biggest DofE centre in Hampshire, so you're really lucky to be at a school where you can be part of this amazing award. So reasons to do your DofE. There's a pretty good list on the screen now of why you should do your DofE. It is good fun. You will be out and about doing different activities with your friends. You can complete different sections with different groups of people, and you'll be doing an expedition with a group of your friends in a team, building those teamwork skills, getting healthier, getting happier, all at the same time. You will hopefully have some amazing new experiences. You might find talents and passions that you didn't know you had, and it is a nationally recognised award. So you get skills that employers will value and you can use them on your CV. Okay, it does help you stand out from the crowd once you get to college, university and applying for jobs, and hopefully you're going to make memories that will last a lifetime. So the way the DofE Award is set up is that you've got 3 sections that you need to complete with a 2-day expedition at the end. Each activity only needs to take up 1 hour of your week, and a lot of you will already be doing extracurricular clubs and activity that will count. So thinking about volunteering, we've got plenty of opportunities within the school for you to volunteer. We've got the allotment, we've got the outdoor classroom, we've got sports clubs, any of which you could volunteer at to help get your volunteering section. We have a physical section. Now it doesn't have to be a team sport. You can do individual sports, you can do fitness, you can do extreme sports, mountain biking, whatever it is that you do that you would like to work on for your physical section. And we have the skills section. So this can be creative art, it can be life skills, it can be cooking, it can be media skills, it can be something to do with science, something that you're interested in that you might already be doing that you could record for 1 hour a week and count towards your DofE. And then once we've done all of that, we do an expedition for 2 days, which will be in the spring or summer term, hopefully when the weather's nice, and we'll be doing day walks from the school where you'll be able to go out with a team of your friends into the countryside, have a go at some outdoor cooking, have a go at some map reading, and put up some tents to show your campcraft skills. So expeditions will take place towards the end of your Duke of Edinburgh Award. All of this will cost just £35, so that includes your expedition, that includes the registration with eDofE and your welcome pack. It includes group equipment for those expeditions, so you don't need to go out and buy cookers or maps or anything like that, and it includes the insurance and licence fees. So the way this will work, when you sign up, you will have an introduction to eDofE. We'll sort you into groups and you will come in and be allocated a day to sign up and show you how to access the online account so you can get started. Then in January or February, we will have an online virtual expedition training course where you'll log on and you'll complete some different modules looking at things like first aid, map reading, cooking, and that will get you all set up ready to do your expedition in the spring or summer term. And we will get those dates out to you as soon as we can. We do ask that by Easter you have completed and got signed off those volunteering, physical and skills sections, which means you are able to come on the expeditions, because what we really need is to make sure that everything is finished at the same time so that we can get it all done this academic year. So, if you are interested in signing up, please do collect a letter from reception, and then your parent or guardian can pay £35 via Parent Pay by Friday the 2nd of October. If you have any questions, things that we haven't covered in Assembly today, or you'd like to just find out a bit more, you can either speak to or email me or Mrs. Glue. My email address is on the screen. And if you need any more information about DofE, you want to have a bit more of a look before you sign up, then do visit the DofE website, www.dofe.org. And I look forward to having as many of you on board with DofE this year as possible.